I want to ask three questions to improve my English.
That's a great goal. What's your first question?
What is the fastest way to improve my English speaking?
Got it. You want to know the fastest way to improve your English speaking skills. Here's my advice. First, immerse yourself in English as much as possible. Watch English movies and TV shows, listen to English music and podcasts, and try to read English books and articles. Second, practice speaking English as often as you can. Find a language partner or join a conversation group. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes them. Finally, focus on improving your pronunciation and grammar. There are many great resources available online and in libraries to help you with this.
Thank you. You have shared me lots of good information. My next question is that please share me three daily habits to improve my English.
Great question. Here are 3 daily habits that can help you improve your English. First, try to think in English. When you wake up, think about your day in English. When you see something, try to name it in English. Second, speak English out loud every day, even if it's just to yourself. Describe what you're doing, what you're seeing, or what you're planning. Finally, read and listen to English every day. Read English news articles or books, and listen to English podcasts or music. Even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Gemini, now I'm going to ask my third question, and that is how a beginner can build confidence in English speaking. Please share me some ideas.
Absolutely. Here are some ideas to help a beginner build confidence in English speaking. First, start with simple conversations. Practice introducing yourself, ordering food, or asking for directions. Focus on clear pronunciation and speaking slowly. Second, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes them, and they're a natural part of learning. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Finally, celebrate your progress. Acknowledge how far you've come and reward yourself for your efforts. This will keep you motivated and confident in your abilities.
Thank you. I will talk to you again.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. Feel free to reach out anytime you want to practice your English or have more questions. Good luck!